Samantala, nasa 33 miyembro ng gabinete ang nagbitiw na o nagsabing magbibitiw sa pwesto kasunod ng utos si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na mag-courtesy resignation. At kabilang dyan si Department of Agrarian Reform Secretary Conrado Estrella III, Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman, Energy Secretary Rafael Lotilla, Finance Secretary Ralph Recto, Health Secretary Ted Herbosa at Department of Information and Communications Technology Secretary Henry Roel Aguda, maging sina Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, Migrant Worker Secretary Hans Leo Akdak, ang kauupo lang na Administrator ng Overseas Workers Welfare Administration na si Patricia Ibon Kaunan, Department of Science Technology Secretary Renato Solidum Jr., Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco at Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. Sumunod din sina utos na yan, sina Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, MMDA Chairman Armando Artes, Education Secretary Sani Angara, Environment Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga, Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo, at Secretary Jose Rizalino Aguzar ng Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development.
Nagsabi na rin sila Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla, Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma, Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro Jr., DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian, Secretary Maria Cristina Roque ng Department of Trade and Industry at si DepDev Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, pati sina Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, Solicitor General Menardo Guevara, Secretary Elaine Masukat ng Presidential Management Staff, Special Assistant to the President Antonio Lagdameo Jr., National Security Advisor Eduardo Año at Secretary Jay Ruiz ng Presidential Communications Office. Kasama rin sina Presidential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation Larry Gadon, Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity Carlito Galvez Jr. at Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile. Hinihintay pa namin ang tugon ng ilan pang miyembro ng gabinete.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.